Hi, my name is Barry Crampton. Today I'm going to show you around our E Class, then I'll take you for driving it, but first I'll tell you a little bit more about it. It's a 3 litre E320 CDI Sport G-Tronic. 2009 on a 9 plate. It's done 145,549 miles. Fuel economy, urban 27.4, extra urban 50.4. Combined 38.7, 0 to 60 time of 6.8 seconds, a top speed of 155 miles per hour out of a 221 brake horsepower 24 valve engine. We've just serviced it and MOT'd it, so it's MOT'd until the 8th of 12th 2020. Road tax 6 months is £178.75, 12 months is £325. Always like to see the big Mercedes roundel on the front here that you aim the vehicle with. It's got the chrome grille, front parking sensors in the bumper, multi-spoke alloys, the side door protectors there. It's de-chromed around the windows with the kind of satin black trims here. Chrome and black door handles match the door protectors and also the front and rear bumpers, and again the chrome trim around the boot here. Electric boot release. I wondered what that was there, but actually it's a pretty handy thing to hang your shopping bags off so they don't fall over in your boot. Rear parking sensors. Nice and roomy in the back here, and something I always like, real nice high back seats here with the headrest that you don't have to get in and start moving up if you're an adult when you get in the back. Sculptured seat backs give you more knee room, but I've got my seat a little bit further forward than I would normally have it. There's bags of room in the back here. The leather seats, I can never tell these days whether the leather or Artico leather or whatever it is, and I'm not sure that says a good thing about the man-made leather or a bad thing about the proper leather. But anyway, it's lovely. It's got contrast stitching also. We've got a rear centre armrest there with little storage compartment, place for your pen and Tic Tacs and perhaps phone or whatever, and nice environment. It's with the black interior. It's got a grey roof, so it's not too claustrophobic. Airbags in the B pillar there. It's very nice in the back here, and got the wood like only Mercedes-Benz do really. One thing they do well, them and Jaguar, is make wood look good in cars. So I'll just take you for a ride in it. Lousy weather today. The Mercedes-Benz key there with the ignition lock. There we go. Bang the heated seats on and just get comfortable. It's 3-position electric memory seats here, so there you go. Anyway, that's as you can see, the steering wheel moves as well. There we go, just move that down a bit. And we've also got power folding door mirrors. So really good spec on the car, like new in the front. There's a little bit of wear just on the corner here of the seat, but nothing too bad. And it's all like brand new in here. As I say, the wood, whatever it is, walnut burr or something like that, is really nice. No marks on it. It's a bit creaky. There's a couple of little marks on it. It's just been caught on the front bumper, which the bottom of the spoiler really, which we'll touch up, and there's just been a light scratch on the wheel arch. Apart from that, I mean, this car is great value. Plenty of power in it, great diesel engine. Big tank, really. We've got the comfort manual and sport there, and we've also got here paddle shifts on the steering wheel. Electric windows all round, just test them. Yep, they all work. Wipes and everything working fine too. Firm there called Van Moosh. Rubbish removals, you would think they'd have called it Van Nish, but what do I know? Here we go. Picks its feet up nicely. Good looking car from the outside, nice on the inside too. We've got sat nav. There you go. Navi's there. It's also got Bluetooth hands-free. The heated seat is warming up nicely here. It's nice and comfortable. I think even, let me just see. Yeah, even the headrest is electrically adjustable. That's getting comfort. There we go. Ah dear, it's one of those days in the UK, not too nice today, and we're just back after the January holidays, well sorry, the Christmas holidays in January, back into the grind. Let me see, so front central armrest, we've got multifunction steering wheel here. That's changing the display, the information display on the centre. Your speedo is in the centre. You've got a clock to the left hand side and then a small rev counter to the right hand side. What a vile colour. But obviously got a 6-litre engine in there. Cruise control and speed limiter, which I'll try when we get on the motorway. It's absolutely great value for money. I think at the moment retail on this is $4,395. We've got it at $3,995 at the moment, but we do check our prices daily. We do advertise at cash prices, so hopefully we'll have one of the better price markers on Auto Trader. It's an old lady in that car, who'd have thought? She drives like Sterling Moss. We just serviced and MOT'd it, which obviously again the price markers don't take into account, so there's nothing to spend on it. All the tyres are good. I will cut the service history into the video. The slight problem is it would seem that some service history has been lost in the middle, and the chap that had it last had a friend who was a mechanic, and he had it serviced by his friend the mechanic and paid him cash. So hence we've serviced this again at our place. But I've got to say, it always makes me laugh. The first thing the chap that owned this car asked us was about the service history on our car, and then when I asked him about his, well, anyway, one or two things there. It makes me think that he was concerned about service history, and hopefully he would have been concerned with this car. No reason to think it's not been serviced. It's not done a whole lot of miles in the last few years. Did most of its miles when it was must have been a company car or something like that. So we know they will have been serviced. So anyway, it is what it is. It's value for money at $3,995. Makes a great family car, nice and safe, great on a run, super engine, nice automatic gearbox. Slightly harder suspension with it being the Sport. I'm just trying to tuck in here, and this chap is undertaking me. This lady is undertaking me, and now she's indicating to turn out. What a shocking driver. Could have slotted in behind me quite easily, but didn't. I just got unbelievable, absolutely unbelievable. Oh, regular viewers, we're coming up to that the motorway junction where all the nutters congregate. My New Year's resolution is trying not to lose my temper as much, but it's always difficult. Now then, I don't want to pull alongside in case she just pulls out again. We're safe. The seats are really, really nice and comfortable. As I say, it's a good looking car from the outside. It's finished in black with black leather. Show you how to set the Bluetooth and the sat-nav in a short while. There we go. Nice steering. Good road holding. just MOT'd it, so there shouldn't be anything wrong with it really. I'd be surprised if there is. Our garage are very, very thorough. There's nothing in front of us, so we should get a good run at the bends. Make sure everything's all right with it. Nice acceleration. No troubles. Nice family car. Check the paddle shift's working okay. Yep, that's it. Showing you all your settings there. On the left hand side you've got kind of an unconventional fuel gauge. It's in bars, and same with your coolant temperature on the right hand side, but nice clear display. Shows you on the left your gear, or the gear you're in, and then this you can change up and down with the gear lever or the gear selector by knocking it across. I'll just pull over now and show you how to set the sat nav and pair your mobile and also delete one, and I'll cut that into the video earlier on in a separate video if you need to watch that. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, which should be a new shape Land Rover Discovery.